Huge downpours unleashed decades-high floods in eastern Australia on Saturday, February 26, as the rising waters inundated homes and roads and swept away cars.
I know. That's pressure from the river. That is a river. Look at it.
A flood emergency has been in place across southeast Queensland, a state known for an abundance of sunshine. All Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast beaches, famous tourist attractions, have been closed. Heavy rain also hit the state capital Brisbane. More than 1,400 homes in Brisbane are expected to be impacted by possible flooding.
Like, I don't know, flooding everywhere. I don't know if you can see. That's just the sea of water, the car park.
What a dickhead! What a dickhead over here!
Queensland Emergency Services said they have had 100 requests for assistance every hour in recent days. About 700 people were asked to evacuate from the city of Gympie on Saturday after the Mary River system rose beyond a level of 22 meters, making it the worst flood in the town since the 1880s. Video on social media showed homes surrounded by water, roads cut off, areas of land transformed into lakes, and a large chunk of a concrete pier floating down a fast-running river. Residents in low-lying areas were told to be prepared, stock up on sandbags and household essentials. The meteorologist predicted further rain on Sunday, as the weather system moved away more slowly than had been anticipated.
Huge waves have swallowed the beaches of Bondi as wild winds and surf hit much of Australia's east coast. Rough weather has left Bondi Beach in ruins as the waves crash against the barriers and crash onto the coastline of the famous suburb. Chaos erupted Saturday morning as Sydney experienced unseasonable winds and upstate cities struggled with flooding for the second time in a month. In the video, we see giant waves rush past the retaining wall and hit the front of the North Bondi RSL on Ramsgate Avenue. Local Scenery Effects filming wildlife said it was the first time they encountered aquatic environments. It comes as the east coast of Australia approaches, and it was advised to brace for gale force winds and 5 meters waves over the weekend, while Queensland could have a painful cyclone.
The promenade of Australia's most famous beach has been lashed by massive waves as wild weather bears down on the New South Wales coastline. Crazy pictures and video taken at Bondi Beach, in Sydney's eastern suburbs, on Saturday morning showed frothy ocean water had covered the iconic tourist spot's sandy shoreline and spilled onto the footpath. The popular swimming pool at Bondi Icebergs was nowhere to be seen, along with other ocean pools on Sydney's coast, as strong waves continued to roll in.